Throw some and they'll come. Sit down right there by the bread so they don't get it all. You gotta throw it to them. Throw them some bread. Throw it. Throw a little bit. Throw them some bread. Throw it to them. You gotta throw it harder. Throw them some more. They ate it. Throw it hard. Good boy. Throw it hard. Yeah. Is that all of it? Is that all of it? Don't throw the trash away. Oh, that's good. Okay, come over here. No, don't throw the trash away. Don't let it get away because it'll hurt the birds. You don't want to litter. Okay, now let's step over here so they can go eat all the bread. Are you done?